Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make dog food. One of these buddies. Okay. So, I hope you recognize us from how to make maracas. Anyways, we are going to make dog food, cotton candy. Not with real food, cotton candies like you see on other videos, but with fake food, pom-poms. Let's get right into the video. And at the ending of this video, I'm going to show everyone a very special guest. I'm going to take you into the family room, but into the corner. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, ow. Oh, that reminds me to tell you guys. If you get stuck with the toothpick, no worries, no problemo. Don't panic. Just put ice water on it. Ha ha ha, basic steps. That's what every human does. Don't do that, guys. Some people say it hurts. What you do is, some people haven't heard this, but you bend your finger down and then put pressure on it. That way it doesn't hurt. Okay, so, oh gosh. I made all the pom-poms. Now it's time to show you. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 of these kind whites, and I made 1, 2, 3 of the blacks, and just 2 of the greens. And you can decorate them with flower stickers.
Hello? It was Dorothy Hartley.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.